Hello and welcome to this webcast. My name is Ali Reza Zaidi. I'm Techno-Functional Consultant for Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations, around 14 years of experience for software development. In this series of videos, I will share you about Power BI. Power BI is part of Microsoft Power Platform and used for visualizing data based on different data sources. In this video, I will give how to download and install Power BI Desktop on your machine. So let's start it. For this, for downloading Power BI Desktop, you have to go on powerbi.microsoft.com. If we explore that site, it provides different options defined what is Power BI, transforming data, also provides some links to watch overview and watch demos, and this is a sample dashboard which you can create. And why you choose Power BI, it's some multiple reasons to select Power BI, and then it's for there are documentation links for analysts, IT person, or for a developer, or these are some testimonials for different organizations who are using Power BI. Web analyst for industry analysts to say about Power BI and show you that it's a Power Platform based on Power BI, Power Apps, and Microsoft Flow. So you can sign in here. It did not work for .live, .hotmail, something like that. So if you want to download it, so go on, click start here and click on start here and click use for free, and it will open Microsoft Store. So let it to be. So here you can download it and install on your machine. I already downloaded it, so it provides me the option of launch. So let's open it and see what's in it. So I did not register sign in, so I found this pop-up in Power BI Desktop. So I will see you this option later. This is the pop-up, and if I close it, we found this type of a window. This is Power BI Desktop and some data enter, something like that. Is the visualization, feed, drill through, and filters. And if we click on this, we found data sources for Excel, Power BI data flows, Power BI data sets, SQL Server, analysis services, text, CSVs, web, data feeds, and something like that. So we explore all these options in upcoming videos. So please subscribe my channel and please subscribe my this course. And purpose of this course to help you to share my knowledge, to help you to learn these things to the point and very quickly. Thank you for watching.